Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. It's gonna be simple. This is gonna be easy. I'm gonna be showing you how you could go from 0 to a 700 credit score in 90 days. This is simple, people. This is easy. People need to stop stressing how to get their credit score up, right? First thing you're gonna be doing, right? I'm gonna walk you through this, how to go from 0. I don't care if you have bankruptcy, you're starting from 0. I don't care if you're 18 years old. I don't care if you're in the phase of rebuilding your credit. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna go from 0 to a 700 credit score instantly in 90 days, right? The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go over to my website at whoiskingshawn.com, right? We're gonna go through this very simple. And we're gonna go over there and you're gonna go, let me pull this up for you real quick. You're gonna go get your Ultimate Credit Repair ebook. You could download it free today, no excuses. Got your collection removal, charge-offs, late payments, if you're in the check system, and showing you step-by-step how to build your credit score instantly in a couple months, right? That's step number 1. Number 2, for those that's advanced, or after you fix your credit, you want to start your business credit, I have the business ebook, Business Guide to Building Wealth Step by Step. I'll show you how to increase your business score instantly in 90 days. Showed you what accounts to add on. Where will be no personal guarantees, so you don't have to worry about that. That's a whole nother situation. Today, we're talking about how to go from 0 to a 700 credit score, right? So once you fix everything, all the letters in there, all the templates are in there, it should be no excuse. Fix your credit. That's step number 1. Once that is all done, you're gonna be doing. Now it's time to start building that credit in 90 days and get to that 700 credit score, right? The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go over to RENTREPORTERS, right? Everything I'm gonna be talking about will be in the description of this video, so you don't have to be looking. You don't gotta get in the comments and say, hey, where's this, where's that? It's gonna be right there, right? So we're gonna go to RENTREPORTERS, and the good thing about RENTREPORTERS, you could get this for $94 and not backdate 2 years wherever you're renting. If you're living in a community, you're renting an apartment, whatever it may be, you will be able to backdate it 2 years, because one of the most important thing is to have credit history, people. Credit history. A lot of time people are having accounts, but they have 6 months of history, 9 months of history, things like that. Today we're talking about RENTREPORTERS, which will be in the description. That would be step number 1 you need to do to add on your credit profile to start increasing that credit score. Let's move on to number 2, people. The number 2 thing you're gonna be doing, which is gonna give you probably the biggest impact of your credit score. Credit Strong, right? Now, Credit Strong got a package called the Magnum, right? Which can increase your credit score. If you could see, walk with me on the website. You can look at it. It's simple and easy, right? You can increase your credit score up to 86 points with the Magnum package, right? Now, if you have a 550 credit score, you can increase it with the Magnum 5,000. Bear with me. You can increase it up to 77 points. If you get the Magnum 10,000, you can increase it up to that 86 points. And it has a chart board right here. So if your scores are 550, 600, 650, it will show you how much your credit score will go up. And what they do is that you could get up to a $30,000 installment loan, which is really good. It's gonna report on your credit report. It's gonna make your credit report pop out when they see up to a $30,000 installment loan, which is really good. So that's number 2, right? That you're gonna be adding on. Let's move on to number 3 now. Capital One Platinum Card is the easiest credit card to get today in 2026. I don't care if you have a 500, 525, 550, they will approve you. And even if they don't approve you, they will approve you for a Capital One secured card, which will be reporting on your credit report as a credit card, people. This is no excuse. This is all simple and this is easy. Now I'm gonna show you a hack that you could do. Let's say you got approved for the secure card, right? They didn't want to approve you for an unsecured card. You got a secure card with a $500 limit, right? What you could do if you have some extra cash sitting around, 500,000, 15, 2,000, 3, 4, 5,000, 10,000, whatever it may be, it's your money. It doesn't matter. I know it's income tax time. People should not be out there shopping, buying clothes, buying cars. They're spending money. You should be fixing your credit and thinking about your future, people. Stop being lazy and let's do the work, right? So with the secure card, once you get approved for it, you could call them up and say, hey, I would like to increase my credit limit. I have an extra $3,000. I would like to add this $3,000, bump up my credit limit. You originally got the $500 for the secured. You give them $3,000. Now you have a $3,500 credit limit on a secured credit card, people. This is your money. You can use it whatever you want to do, but it's only going to help your credit score, people. You can add 5,000, whatever you want to do. We got to stop being lazy. You got that income tax. Invest in yourself for the future, people. Again, so this is the next step you're going to do right now. The last step you could do once you get that, you're going to go over to the extra debit card. You might not never heard of the extra debit card. I did about 2 videos on them in the past 4 years. Now, the extra debit card, this will be a no credit check, which is really good, really easy. I don't want to hear anything that you got too many inquiries. No credit check, people. It will be in the description of this video once again. Now, with this card, you can apply and it will start building credit. So let's say they give you a $250 limit, $400 limit, $500 limit, whatever it may be that they're going to ask you to make a deposit on, right? Once you do that and you start swiping that card every day, everywhere, it doesn't matter. You're going to start increasing your credit score, which is really good. Now, as you see right here, good things come to those who are extra. Now, and you can increase it up to 48 points by using the extra debit card. No credit check, no excuse. Nobody should be complaining in 2026. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the top, but it starts with you. So again, let's go through this real quick. We got the extra debit card, no credit check, right? We got the Capital One Platinum card if you don't get approved, the secure card, and use the hack where you can add your own money to increase your credit limit and increase that credit score at the end of the day, right? And that Magnum by Credit Strong, and you can really get up to that $30,000 installment loan and have that report into your credit report, and you will make a small amount of payment every month. You got to look at the bigger picture, people. We got to stop making excuses. I want to see everybody win. And then the rent reporters, again, you get backdated up to 2 years. This is 4 simple steps you could do to go from 0 to a 700 score in 90 days, but it starts with you. Again, go to that website, people. No excuses. Go to that website and go download your free ebook. Start working on your credit. Start working on your business credit. It's time to turn it up, people. Stop being lazy and do the work. If you got any questions, you can email me on my website. Give me up to 4 hours and I'll get back with you. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.